hapa bwana maji.
Ndio takoroma.
Oh, anaziweka ndani.
Ulikuwa umemaliza?
Ndio bwana.
Wacha ziweke ndio amwaga tukiokota.
Ige kuru. Ne kwaje.
Pole pole. Je, ina insema yako vekera chance piamo. Obwate.
Mwisi yangu leo jiyo songo. Kinde.
Rais mata uko.
Senga jebre skinny ya ile tofauti ni yeye. Yebne kwako mwase kuoma.
Ana kanya ngote yemeko safai.
Kiana maji. Ai no kanyukira nsa uke. Kyonse piro goroji mati.
Aste wewe unachia ndani ya tirimbuka. Unachia ndani ya kula. Umsumna macha ndani ya para. Kia ndani ya mati.
Naone ko ngai. Kono no beka asikwende gorogoro.
Ah, rosa.
Hello, what's up guys, here we are again. We are very much blessed here. I'm very much happy. We have come to the other side of our county here. We are here at Ganchore. Ganchore is over, where is it? I don't know.
It's still in Nyamira County.
It's still in Nyamira County. That is our tea factory center where we take our tea leaves. That is it. And here we have come to this village here. You can see how it is. Those are some neighbor grasses here. I think when you see neighbor grasses, that means that these people have some cows. They have some cattle at their homes. That is it. You can see how it is. It's very lovely here at the village, as you can see, and people are very much praised. It is very green, as you can see, and this is a river here. Actually, from the start of the video, you can see there were some children here who were just doing some fishing. They were doing some fishing here, but they have gone to the other side of the river up there, and here we have a bridge. Actually, this is my first time to be here. I've never come here the whole of my life, at least that's what I can say. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Give the video a like. You can see that's the small bridge here. Also, I'm still with my friend here. You're going to say hello. Hello.
Hi guys, welcome to Kerry's channel. My name is Erin Sap, and we are here at the village. So thank you so much for the support. Please subscribe to Kerry's channel. And also subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much guys, and enjoy the video.
Yeah, thank you, Zap. I'm very much happy. Zap, she has been with me like 3 days now. This is the third day. I don't know.
Yeah.
This is the third day.
Yeah, we started from the market, then we went to Nyamira County, and then we are somewhere here. I don't know where we are, but Grace is here to show me the way, because I've never been to this place. But it's amazing, like as you have seen, everything is green here. It keeps telling you that we are blessed. Yeah, we are blessed, and we are forever grateful to God.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you have never been to Kithiland, you need to visit. You need to visit and see for yourself.
This is very much amazing here. Hope you will enjoy here. I said we are at Ganchore. That person who is near, that is the signboard there. You can see it. That's the signboard of Ganchore Tea Factory, where we usually take our tea leaves. And there, if you are near here at Nyamira County, you can come and get fresh #1 tea leaves.
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome on.
is now the village life here. If we go around here, this is how very much amazing here. And here, this is a small waterfall, as you can see. But then from the up there, this is how the water is running up to down here, and that is like you can see how it is. Yeah, this is the nature now. Nature of our home, nature of Kenyan nature here. This is it. This is how it looks here. It looks like it is an adventure, I don't know.
Yeah, it's like an adventure.
Yeah. In our village, you have so many trees. I told you, like, the trees are the main source of income here. Yeah, you see? Yes. Everywhere trees. You see, everywhere. Comment and subscribe to the channel if you want to subscribe, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and they support me. Yeah? Yeah. Wow. I've never been to a forest like this one here. Wow. Hey, this is very much amazing here. At least you can see there is a small house there. There is a small higher house there. That's like a beehive. It's like a beehive, as you can see. Opa! Today you are going to enjoy this here. It's a very much amazing, lovely here from the village. You can see the small house there. That is it. This is very much amazing. You can see there is another one there. There's another one there. There's another one there. You can see small houses to those sides. These are only the beehives here. Hope people are not going here as you get the bee. You keep the bee and then you are going to sell the other one. You can if you come over here, at least you are not going to buy honey, free honey now here. Those are the small houses. There is one here, another there. Those are all hives, beehives here. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Give the video a like. If this is how the beehives where you put your beehive near the river here, and there you can see the flow of the water at those sides there. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Give the video a like. If this is how you keep your beehives near the river here. Those are other small houses there. You can see them. There were like 10 of them. If this person is going to harvest this honey here, I don't know, very fresh honey from the village here, very much amazing. All the stuff here is very fresh. Those are all the hives, the beehives, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Give the video a like. If this is how you keep your beehives, it is from there. You can see it there. Those are the small houses of those beehives. Up to those sides, there are like 10 of them. I may finish this video here. Give the video a like. Hope you enjoyed this channel here. More amazing videos from here to village. Give the video a like. Share to your friends. Those ones who have not subscribed, if you are outside there and you want to subscribe to my channel, amazing videos. If you are amazed with my video, please subscribe wherever you are. Subscribe, continue subscribing, share the video to your friends. Amazing more videos from here to village. As I am from here to village, as a village girl, I am very much happy. Your strength always, your support is my strength here from the village. Ciao, ciao, bye, bye. Boom, boom, boom. Hello, what's up?